Hello everyone, I'm going to show you in this quick video tutorial how to use my script called Better Child Theme enqueue styles. The main goal is to load CSS style only where they need it, so you can split it between templates, pages, or we can inline it in the page. Let's have a look. I've got a setup here, Astra and Astra theme, very basic, and I have created a few pages. One is blue background, here's a template blue background, here's a green background, here's another template, here's a green background, and here's the next one where we're going to use blue background but we want to have red headline. So let's have a look at it. I've got here set up Astra theme and Astra child, very basic. So here I've created a couple of templates. One is a blue background, another one is green background, and on third we're still using blue background but we want to have red headline. So let's have a look on it. When we're going here in the front end, it's just very basic style and it all looks the same. So we want to adjust first blue background. What we can do, we can have a look on CSS files, and what it says is not present. So the script is looking for these files. If it finds, it will load it. Alright, when we look at the on the disk, and here is where you have added, when you have unzipped the my GitHub files. Here's the folder. Then you have added custom styles to the functions PHP, and in order to this script we're working, we would need here to have folder assets and CSS, but we don't have to create it manually. It will create it automatically for you, and I'm going to show you how. So looking here, let's say we want to have a template for this page. So I have to be logged in and just add here the query string CSS equals template. So now it's already saying loaded template. So this template is already loaded, but it's empty. So when we're going back to disk, we can see now already here assets, CSS, and we've got here template blue background. So we can edit it, but it's nothing here. So let's grab our CSS, what we want to do, copy it, and place it into the CSS file. We can save it now. I'll remove the query string, and it's already here. When we're going on green background, it's not there because it doesn't share the same CSS, right? So let's create CSS by template. So you've got it here confirmed to load the template. Now let's find our CSS, place it here, and when we're coming back and remove query string, we've got it here. Alright, so we've got two separate files for two separate templates. Now third option would be here, go for red headline. So we've got here the blue template. So we've got this from what we have already done here, and we can change this only on this page by adding just page related CSS. So what we're going to do is here add query string equal page, and now what it says, loaded template and loaded page. So we've got the page now. So if you look at the disk here, we've got now here page 18. Let's grab our CSS. I'm going back, refresh the page without the query string. Now we have all as a bold. Now let's imagine that it's not that much CSS that it's really worth loading just few lines, so we can inline it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete it. Maybe coming back, you see it's not loaded anymore, and let's say we want a just red headline. So I'm going to take my CSS, and now we need to create inline file, we got CSS equals inline. And now what it says, it's template loaded, page no, because I deleted, and we want just the inline. So I'm going here to page, here's the inline, edit, add it here, going back, and we've got a red headline. And if we're coming back to blue background, we don't have it because we haven't changed it. We inline the CSS only here. So thank you for watching. Feel free to like this video and share with your coding friends. And I really hope there will be version 2 where we'll have more and more functionalities to make it even better. Have a nice day. Thank you.